My name is Kimberly. I am the owner of Pimentel Portfolio, a portrait business located in Kansas City. Today I'm out shooting my Anafi drone, and I wanted to show you what the Anafi Parrot extended pack comes with. So this is the Parrot Anafi extended pack that I purchased, and I purchased mine from Best Buy. And the reason that I purchased it from Best Buy is because I was able to insure my drone with a 2-year warranty, so that if anything happens to the mechanics of it, I could take it back to Best Buy and they would fix it or repair it. This is the Anafi Parrot. It is a drone from a company in France, and this is the Anafi extended pack. Now the extended pack is really cool. Because it comes with a pouch that allows you to store your drone up in this area. It allows you to keep your remote in this area. It has a space for 2 batteries. This little pouch is where I keep my lens cap when I'm not using it. And then underneath this pouch area is a little pop-up secret area where I keep my propellers and my propeller tool and all my cords when I'm not flying.